Hello guys, welcome to our channel All in One. Here we are back with a new video. So before proceeding to this video, do subscribe my channel for more videos and must press the bell icon so that you cannot miss my any video. So now let's start our video. So in this video, I will tell you about overview of an Instagram account. It means how to post, how to edit your profile and different options that are in Instagram account. So let's see. So for this you have to connect it to the internet. So connect to the internet. In case I be connected to the internet, so open your browser, any browser that you are using. I be using Google Chrome, so just open your browser. Yeah, here we go. Now open the Instagram account. Here we go. Here we got our Instagram. Like I had tell you in the previous video how to set up your Instagram on laptop. So here in this video I will explore all the options in your Instagram ID. So let's start. So here you can see, like in the previous video we had set up our Instagram account. So here we see some news feeds. So here are the news feeds posted by your celebrity pages or any of your friend that you are following. So we have here you can see there are different options. So first option, find Facebook friends. So you can connect your Instagram account to your Facebook ID if you wish. So for connecting to the Facebook you have to press this button, connect to Facebook, and the next option is add phone number. You can also add your phone number to your Instagram account. So here is this button, add phone number. So by pressing this button you can add your phone number, and the next option is add profile photo. So you must have to uh, post your profile photo. So for this you have to click to this add profile photo. So I be connecting. So just choose any picture. Yeah, I just opening any random picture. So just posting to my profile. So here you can see, yeah, here this you can see this. I just got my profile picture activated. So we have explored these options. Now come to these options. Here this is home. So you can come to home by just pressing this button, and the next button is message button. So whenever you message to any of your friend or anybody, so these messages you can see here. So likewise I'll be sending. So for sending message you have to be friend with someone. You have to connect with some real peoples, or you can, or I can say the common people. Like wait a minute. So you can see I just searching. Okay, wait a minute. I'm searching a random person to whom I can send the messages. So for sending messages you have to connect to a public account. So likewise you have to search for a public account. So leave it. So whenever you message to someone or someone message to you, you can see these messages here, the plain like button. You can see this message. You can also write messages to different peoples. You can write a message to a person, or you can write a message to a bunch of people at the same time. So you can do with this. And the next option is explore option, and this option is very good. So likewise, you following some people's celebrities or pages, so the posts, the feeds of these pages or peoples or celebrities are being seen here. So you can see the posts, the pics and different videos of these celebrities or pages here. So you can see their stories. The next button is heart button. So here you can see uh, the person who follows you or likes your photos. So you can see here, you can see. Likewise, someone sends you follow request, so you can see here. And the next is your profile. So here are three options: profile, saved and setting. And the last most option is logout. So at profile, you can see your whole profile here. So you can see your profile photo, you can see your username, you can see your posts, you can see your followers, like how many people follows you, and you can see also following to how many people you are following. So here you can see your posts. You can you can see also your IGTV videos. You can see your saved post or videos. Likewise, some you have saved a photo or a video, so you can see here. And you can, and at the tagged option, likewise somebody tagged you in some story or pic or video, so you can see here. So you have a good option here, edit profile. So at edit profile you have different options, so many options, like edit profile, change password, email and SMS, manage contacts, login activity, email from Instagram. You can manage all the things. So I be just give the overview of edit profile, not making it brief. So in the edit profile option, you can change your name. Likewise, you can change your username. But for changing name, you cannot change name um, daily, or you can say simultaneously. Yeah, if you change your username now, so next time you can change your username after 14 days. These are the some rules and norms of Instagram, so you cannot violate this, or you cannot change your name daily. So next is username. You can change your username, and you can also add your website. Likewise, you have some website about something, so you can add your website here. You can also add your bio. Likewise, you add some bio, like I be adding, um, I like cricket, like this. You can add your bio, and you can also make changes to your personal information. Not all the information, but you can change some information that Instagram provided you. You can change your email address. You can also change your phone number. You can enter your gender. You can change your gender. Okay, so here is the here's a button, submit. So you can submit for saving or reviewing your details that you are changing, or you make changes to your details or personal information. Here in the rightmost we have another option, temporary disable my account. So you have a good option. Here by this option you can disable your account temporarily. You cannot permanently delete or disable your account by this option. You can delete permanently, but by this option you can only temporarily disable your account. So next option is change password. As the name signifies, you can change your password, your Instagram password. So for this you have to first type your old password and then enter your new password and then confirm your new password. When you done all these three uh, fields, so you have option change password. So by clicking to this change password, you change your Instagram ID password. So likewise, you did not remember your password, so you can retrieve your password by clicking on forgot password. So you will get an email um, from Instagram. So likewise, you can reset your password. So next option is apps and website. It is of no use. Next is email and SMS. So here are some options like feedback emails. By clicking on feedback emails, you will get feedback on Instagram. Like you can give feedbacks to Instagram. And next option is reminder emails. You will get notifications that you miss something. Product email, likewise, Instagram launch some product, so you can uh, review or view this product, or you will get notification about this product. News email, you will get a notification about news. You will get notification via Gmail. And next is SMS, text SMS message. Whenever Instagram need to send uh, SMS or text message, so you will get these messages. If you click on these boxes, then you will get notifications or messages. So next is push notification. So these are some very good options, so you can manage these options. Likewise, whenever some likes, like when you post a photo or a video or anything, so whenever somebody like your photo or video, you will get a notification. Likewise, this person like your photo, like this. The same with this, with the comments. So whenever somebody or some of your friend comment on your photo or video, so uh, you will get a notification. So you can change the setting to off. Like when you do off, so you cannot get any notification about who likes your photo, who comments your photo, like this. So can also change setting to likes and comments on photo of you. Likewise, you just posted some pics or videos, so people, you can change the priority to people who likes or comment to your photo. Likewise, if you off, nobody cannot like or comment to your photo, like this. So accept follow request. So you can also off this. By click on the off, you will not get any follow request from any person. So make sure you just uh, leave it leave this option. Friends on Instagram, you have different options, so explore these options by yourself. These are different awesome options. So next is manage contact. You can manage you can sync your contact list, your phone contact list to your Instagram. So whenever somebody join Instagram, it will send you notification. Next is privacy and security. Here are some privacy and security terms, or some options, so you can make changes to them if you needed. In case I will tell you, leave it by default. So here is login activity. You can also change your login activity. Like you can see from where you logged in. Like if someone logged in your account, yes, or someone hacked in your account, you can see by this option. And next is email from Instagram. So for security purpose or other purpose, Instagram will always send notification about this via Gmail. So this is all about edit profile. So next option is saved. Whenever you save some pics or photos of any page, any people or anybody, so you will see here. Next option is setting. So likewise we have seen all of these setting, and next is log out. So by this option you will log out of your Instagram account or Instagram app. So whenever you want to log out, make sure only click this option whenever you want to log out, not always. If you want to remember your Instagram account, so do not log out Instagram account from this device or any app. So this is an overview of an Instagram account. So for more video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.